Let's talk about the technical side of hiring. So tell me about how much your philosophy is right now going to as much of automation as you can versus having the human component.
I love automation. I love AI. Like everyone for the last, call it 18 months or 2 years has been like, I'm an AI expert. We've been using AI since 2020. Like the early versions of ChatGPT with the APIs and all these sorts of things. And they're great tools, but that's what they are, is they're tools. You cannot lose in this day and age, there's B2B, business to business. There's B2C, business to consumer. I think regardless of where we're at, we're in an H to H economy, human to human. And the problem is if you just rely on automations, something breaks at some point in time. And you get a, hey, contact ampersand question mark, contact first name, ampersand question mark. You're like, crap, well, this thing was obviously like not personalized for me. Or like things break like that. And you end up shooting yourself in the foot sometimes more than you necessarily need to. So when it comes to tools, I'm a huge proponent of doing all of these things. In fact, Fridays starting at noon, I give my team off. If you need to go to your doctor's appointments, you need to go do your personal stuff, do it then. But if you're not, I want you to be working and playing around with AI. I'll pay for the thing, I'll pay for the service or the whatever the thing is, just play, because it becomes an unfair advantage. We're at this precipice right now where it's about to change even dramatically with LLMs and ranking on an LLM. If you're a service-based business or a product-based business, hey, what product should I buy? Hey, who is the best service provider near me? It will give you a singular answer. Whereas Google will give you the top 3 and then maybe a few other things. So we're at this precipice of like all of these things with AI, automation, et cetera. If you're not investing in it, it can be a massive, massive issue. We are investing heavily, ensuring that we rank really highly on LLMs for us and our clients, but it's not the end all be all. At the end of the day, people still want to buy from a human, or they want to feel connected to someone in some form or fashion. And if that's the case, which I believe it to be true, you got to use that. Like it's the old saying from 100-ish years ago at this point, Dale Carnegie and How to Win Friends and Influence People, the sweetest sound to someone's ears is the sound of their own name. So Derek, I try to use it all the time. So when we onboard people, just to give you like a tactical little nugget for everyone, when we onboard clients, we build a custom page just for them. So it'd be like fractionalcmo.com/Derek-Vidal. And then, hey, when the onboarding email, Derek's gonna be like, what's my name doing in this URL? They click that link, and then on the page is like, hey, Derek, we're excited to get started. Then there's a video being like, hey, Derek, whoever here on my team, excited we chatted about this. Can't wait to move forward, X, Y, and Z, to show you that they were listening. So it restates that and closes loops. And then it makes people feel like they actually freaking matter. So as much as I love automations and AI, there's a huge proponent, like opportunity right here and right now to go a slight bit extra and just knock the bejesus out of someone, just wow the heck out of them when it comes to doing small hinges that swing big doors, little humanized moments that really make people go, wow, that's really, really cool, that you can't necessarily automate.